So when I was 17, I was completely broke. I tried making money online and failed multiple different times. And then someone told me about this thing where you basically just text people on behalf of businesses with no product, no audience, and no experience needed. And I remember thinking, that sounds insane, but I tried it anyway. And around 6 months later, I was making over $6,000 per month from my phone. And in this video, I want to tell you the crazy story of how starting this literally changed my entire life. To be completely transparent, I was not new to making money online. I've been making money online since I was like 14, and when I was 11, my whole dream was to be a YouTuber. If you search up my full name, you can still actually find my YouTube channel. That is where I started. But the thing that actually made me real money was Instagram theme pages. To give you some context, I was like 15 and I made over $10,000 in a month from doing it. Up until like everybody's story that you always hear online, it pretty much fell apart. And on top of that, just to make things slightly worse, I lost over $10,000 in like 3 days in crypto as well. And because of that, I just kind of like left the whole space. I pretty much drifted. I wasn't making any money. I had no plan. And I ended up working 2 profound jobs. One was at a supermarket for like 14 euro per hour pushing trolleys. And the other one was like a fun fair making like 10 euro per hour. And that was arguably my rock bottom. I was at a point where I was working a job I didn't really like. I was in a pretty bad environment of a lot of like smokers and drinkers and drug addicts. And I was ready to go to university, even though I didn't want to. I didn't align with that path. But at that point, because of everything that kind of happened to me, it numbed my brain so much. I just accepted that business wasn't for me anymore. Like, I couldn't handle it, it was too much. And that is when a friend of mine told me about this thing called appointment setting, where basically your whole job is to message people, get them interested, and then book them in for a sales call with the business. And if that person ends up buying it, you would get a percentage of the deal. The percentage is like 5%, by the way. You're not selling anything yourself. You are pretty much just booking people in and getting them to show up to the call that you booked in. Anyway, he was making like $2,000 to $5,000 a month just from his phone, like texting people on someone's Instagram account on behalf of a business. And I kind of reacted badly. I was like, dude, this isn't real. Like, how are you making a good amount of money? Because it is good money, especially in comparison to my funfair job. When you're barely doing anything, he was working like 4 or 5 hours per day. But the thing is, I was at this point where I kind of lost everything I had. I didn't really do business anymore. I was working a funfair job. I was ready to go to university and I wasn't really on a great path anyway. So I figured, like, what do I actually have to lose at this point? I might as well try. And that was it. That was the decision. There was no big moment, no big epiphany moment, just me messaging a friend of mine to say, hey, what are you doing nowadays? And he told me and I was like, cool. I gave it a go. There was nothing to lose. The first few weeks were pretty uncomfortable. I had to like relearn a lot of things, like how to talk to people, how to be smooth, how to actually do appointment setting in itself. But the thing that surprised me the most was how fast the feedback loop was. One thing I really like about myself is like my genuine level of curiosity, because here's the thing with setting. You either book the call or you don't. And if you don't, you can imagine my autistic ass would be like, why didn't I book in this call? Let me figure it out, let me find out. And then I would just pretty much figure out what was working straight away and just reverse engineer it and like build my own frameworks. And within a few months, I had hit my first real milestones and I was like actually back in the online space, which felt good because I knew what I was actually doing this time. I hit my first 1K month, then it snowballed. I got to like 3K, then 6K, and then I got into management and I was able to scale, transition, and grow. Around 6 months in, I was making like $6,000 per month consistently, and that was just from the appointment setting side. And that number arguably changed everything for me because that was the moment I was able to move out. I arguably had freedom and I wasn't really like stuck, forced to a job I didn't want to work anymore. Since I started the coaching company, I've since had students do their first $8,000 in their first 60 days, $45,000 in a month while in university, and over $16,000 in a single month. Like, for example, Nicholas Chen, who tried 4 different business models before finding appointment setting, failed at all of them, and now he's making over $16,000 per month. That's literally an interview we recorded and posted on YouTube too. But looking back, there are a couple things I really wish I would have known when I was first getting started again, and I want to share them with you now because I genuinely think they will help you. The first thing is you do not need to feel or be ready to start. You just need to start. When I was working at the funfair job, I was like so down bad where I messaged everybody I knew. I didn't look for the perfect business model. I didn't look for the highest leverage thing. I didn't look for the best thing ever. I didn't look for how to work 2 hours a day and make 10K a month. I was like, how the hell do I make money online? That's the only thing I need to figure out. That's the thing, when I was starting, I was like in a pretty bad position, and the one thing I had was a friend who proved it was possible and a decision from me, and that was enough. I know it's probably a cliche thing you hear online, but like waiting is probably one of the most expensive things you can do, because I promise you, if you don't do it now, 6 months from now, you're probably not making as much as you would if you just did it now for 6 months, right? It's like, it's common, it's guaranteed. But the point is, you need to trust yourself to know that when you do it and when you start, you won't just be ready, but you'll like kind of train yourself to be ready and get better and perform, obviously. So don't really wait for the perfect time or the perfect thing, just do it. And the second thing is that this isn't really the dream, it is the starting point. And this kind of goes for every first few business models you ever do. A lot of people get this wrong, and they start off with appointment setting and they think, I'm gonna be able to go to Marbella, I'm gonna be able to go live in Dubai, I'm gonna go be able to retire at my parents. I promise you, you won't. Because appointment setting is not where you want to end up. It's like, it will teach you psychology, it will teach you the fundamentals of sales or communication or how businesses actually work, and you'll get paid while you learn. But you're not gonna stay a setter forever. You're gonna use it as experience, as if it's like an internship in the corporate world, while working with big teams, while getting paid, and then you'll transition into bigger things as you develop more self-conviction, as you develop more skill. So lesson 2, or my second point, is don't chase the dream or the desired outcome. Like, just focus on getting really good at what you're doing now, and don't try flipping retire off the first make money online business model you find. And my third point now is that one of the things nobody mentions about appointment setting is that you are literally getting paid to learn sales and psychology. You're inside a business that's already closing deals. They're probably making like $50,000, you know, sometimes even up to $500,000 per month. They already have a working offer, and you kind of get to watch them work in real time. It's actually pretty cool. Most people pay to learn a skill, but in this business model of appointment setting, you literally earn money while you like learn the skill, which is actually pretty cool. It's actually kind of rare too. And it's also the main reason I would pick this over anything else, because like you get to see so much going on. Like you get to see how the closer works or the growth operator works or the manager works, the whole team dynamic. And like you are arguably the entry-level skill set for it, which is quite cool. So that is the real story. I tried something I'd never heard of in a moment where I pretty much had nothing to lose, and it changed everything for me. If you're curious about how to actually get started with appointment setting, I put together a full free training that walks you through the whole thing. There is no BS, there's no Bali dream. It is actually how it works. The link is in the description. Go and check that out now. Peace.